lamp for home decoration, we required A4 color craft papers like this. You will get from the market A4 color papers. If you have no color paper, then we will take a white paper sheet and we will fold from the center, fold the paper from the center, A4 paper, and cut it into two pieces. Like this we will cut the paper into two pieces, and we will do the paper like fan fold. Like this we will fold the paper. Like this we will fold the paper, or we will take the colored paper, fold from the center, and like this, and this side we will fold the opposite side. Like this we will fold the colored paper, and we will take the scissors and we will cut the center part, this part, into pieces. This paper, we will cut the paper up to approx 1 centimeter we will cut. You can take an idea or take a ruler, or you know the some distance equally, then you can cut easily. Like this we will cut the paper, and we will take a gum. You can take the white gum. We will put the gum here. See, like this we will put the gum, and we will stick this part. Like this we will take the paper, or we will take the colored paper like this and fold the paper, and together we will cut the strips. Like this we will cut the different types of strips, colorful strips as you have required. These are the stars, shining stars. If you have no the stars there, take a color paper and cut into circle like this. Circles are I've cut for you. If you have stars like this, you can use the stars. So like this we will decorate the, and we will cut the one strip handle like this, and we will make the lamp like this. See, and we will take the one by one, this one papers, put the Fevicol and stick it here, one by one color, different types of colors. Like this you can make many colors, different types of colors are there, and you can decorate your home. Near the door you can hang this. If you will use the Fevicol, it can stick fast. Like this we will make the lamp. If you have no color paper, you can make the lamp like this. See here, you can use the stars or use the color paper, circle paper. Like this you will use the papers and make the lamp like this, and you different types of color, many colors you can decorate the lamp and decorate a house with the lamp of different colors. Thanks for watching. Do like, share